this video I'm gonna show you how to create a RAR and zip file, how to pack your files into these extensions using app called RAR on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate the files that we want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and camera. Here's two photos which I'm gonna pack into the RAR file. Now select them here and then press on this plus button. Now you'll be able to create the RAR file and you can customize its properties. So the first one is to pick the name, so let's call it pictures. The next thing is to change the extension, so you can change it to zip or RAR 4.x or just simply RAR. I'm just gonna pick that one, and we can set the password. Let's do it very simple, 123. You can show the password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and you can also encrypt the file names. Let's press OK. And from here you can delete the files after archiving and create solid archive. Let's move to advanced options and you'll be able to see more options. In the options right here you can see even more options. So you can enable any of this if you want. In the comment section you can leave any comment about your archive, and after you've set up everything we can press on the OK button and our RAR file is created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.